Hello, my student. Today, in this week, we make a review, review the concept, okay? Today is Monday, 18th May 2020. Topic review. Performance, the review about page 12. Open your book, please, page 12. Okay, we have two examples. For example, Sammy on Monday at 4 p.m. practice soccer and 5 p.m. war school project. But Mr. Frog at Monday, on Monday too, look, Monday, at 4 guitar lesson and 5 war, this is my pet, war school project. Look that. Sammy and Mr. Frog in the future, okay, at the next week or on Monday, this next Monday, at 5 p.m. World School Project. At Mr. Frog, 5 p.m. World School Project. Eso quiere decir que ellos se encontrarán el lunes. Mr. Sammy se encontrará con Mr. Frog at 5 p.m. Okay? This is your activity. Page 12. Ya lo habíamos trabajado antes de vacaciones. Esto quiere decir que on Monday, Sammy is meeting Mr. Frog at 5 p.m. Entonces, el lunes, Sammy se encontrará con Mr. Frog a las 5. Okay? This is the review, page 12. Very good. In this week, we make a review. It's not necessary that you make again the examples. No, only review. No es necesario que vuelvas y hagas los ejercicios, sino que recuerdes, yo te voy a decir la página y el concepto principal cada uno de estos días, antes de empezar el segundo trimestre. Ok, que pases un muy buen día. Good day. Bye. See you soon.